What's up guys, welcome to another unboxing video. I have here the Magic Keyboard for the iPad, the 2020 Pro version. This one comes with the trackpad. I took off the plastic and I didn't realize it wasn't recording, but it's right here, ready to be unboxed. I ordered this from Amazon, and for whatever reason, whatever packages or Apple products I order from Amazon, they always come damaged. If you look at the corner right here, my other iPad, not this one, I also received it damaged on the corner, the 2019 version, but this one I did not get on Amazon. So let's hop in and see what it looks like inside. And it's got that nice unboxing like all Apple products. Let's get in here. Let's open this up, see what we have inside. And now we have our nice Magic Keyboard. I'm gonna put this over here, and let's see if it slides out, which it does. I'm gonna keep this plastic nice, put it to the side, and there it is right there. That has a nice Apple logo on the back. Let's take a look at what it looks when we open it up. So we go like this, and then we can put our iPad on there. You should recognize it right when you plug it in, or it's gonna be mounted on with ready to go. And from what it looks like right there, it is good to go. So let's close this up. We'll come back to that. Let's see what we have over here. I got my power gloves on right now. Now we got our user manual, and let's see, did it come with any stickers? Nope, it did not come with any stickers. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for checking out this unboxing. Thank you very much for watching. You have a wonderful day.